Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the abolition of untouchability? A. Article 14. B. Article 15. C. Article 17. D. Article 19. Answer. C. Article 17. Article 17 abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice in any form. This is one of the fundamental rights enshrined in the Constitution. Which article guarantees the right to equality before the law? A. Article 13. B. Article 14. C. Article 18. D. Article 19. Answer. B. Article 14. Article 14 ensures equality before the law and equal protection of the laws within the territory of India. Which article deals with the right to freedom of speech and expression? A. Article 19, 1a. B. Article 20. C. Article 22. D. Article 23. Answer. A. Article 19, 1a. Article 19, 1a guarantees all citizens the right to freedom of speech and expression. Article 21 of the Indian Constitution guarantees A. Right to life and personal liberty. B. Right to education. C. Right against exploitation. D. Right to equality. Answer. A. Right to life and personal liberty. Article 21 ensures the protection of life and personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. Which article provides the right to education? A. Article 21. B. Article 21a. C. Article 22. D. Article 24. Answer. B. Article 21a. Article 21a mandates the provision of free and compulsory education for children between 6 and 14 years of age. Article 24 prohibits the employment of children in hazardous jobs below the age of A. 12 years. B. 14 years. C. 16 years. D. 18 years. Answer. B. 14 years. Article 24 prohibits the employment of children below 14 years of age in any hazardous employment or occupation. Under which article can the President of India proclaim a national emergency? A. Article 352. B. Article 356. C. Article 360. D. Article 368. Answer. A. Article 352. Article 352 empowers the President to declare a national emergency on grounds of war, external aggression, or armed rebellion. Which article deals with the right against exploitation? A. Article 21. B. Article 23. C. Article 25. D. Article 29. Answer. B. Article 23. Article 23 prohibits human trafficking, forced labor, and other forms of exploitation. Which article guarantees freedom of religion in India? A. Article 24. B. Article 25. C. Article 26. D. Article 27. Answer. B. Article 25. Article 25 guarantees freedom of conscience and free profession, practice, and propagation of religion. Article 51A of the Indian Constitution deals with A. Directive Principles of State Policy. B. Fundamental Duties. C. Fundamental Rights. D. Emergency Provisions. Answer. B. Fundamental Duties. Article 51A lists the fundamental duties of every Indian citizen. Which article empowers the Parliament to amend the Constitution? A. Article 368. B. Article 370. C. Article 371. D. Article 372. Answer. A. Article 368. Article 368 provides the procedure for amending the Constitution of India. Which article deals with the establishment of the Finance Commission? A. Article 265. B. Article 275. C. Article 280. D. Article 300. Answer. C. Article 280. Article 280 provides for the establishment of the Finance Commission to recommend the distribution of financial resources between the Union and the states. Which article is related to the Uniform Civil Code? A. Article 42. B. Article 44. C. Article 45. D. Article 46. Answer. B. Article 44. Article 44 directs the state to endeavour to secure a uniform civil code for the citizens throughout India. Article 370, which was abrogated in 2019, gave special status to A. Punjab, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Assam, D. Sikkim. Answer: B. Jammu and Kashmir. Article 370 granted special autonomy to Jammu and Kashmir, which was abrogated in August 2019. Which article deals with the impeachment of the President? A. Article 52. B. Article 61. C. Article 72. D. Article 123. Answer: B. Article 61. Article 61 lays down the procedure for the impeachment of the President of India. Which article guarantees protection against double jeopardy? A. Article 19. B. Article 20. C. Article 21. D. Article 22. Answer: B. Article 20. Article 20 provides protection against conviction for the same offence twice, i.e., double jeopardy. Which article provides for the right to constitutional remedies? A. Article 32. B. Article 35. C. Article 39. D. Article 42. Answer: A. Article 32. Article 32 provides individuals the right to move the Supreme Court for the enforcement of their fundamental rights. Article 343 of the Constitution declares which language is the official language of India. A. Hindi. B. English. C. Sanskrit. D. Tamil. Answer: A. Hindi. Article 343 declares Hindi in Devanagari script as the official language of the Union of India. Which article provides for the right to protection from discrimination? A. Article 14. B. Article 15. C. Article 16. D. Article 17. Answer: B. Article 15. Article 15 prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Article 326 of the Indian Constitution is related to A. Elections to the Panchayats. B. Adult suffrage. C. Representation of SC, STs. D. Freedom of the press. Answer: B. Adult suffrage. Article 326 provides for adult suffrage, meaning all citizens above the age of 18 can vote. Which article allows the declaration of a financial emergency? A. Article 352. B. Article 356. C. Article 360. D. Article 365. Answer: C. Article 360. Article 360 gives the President the authority to declare a financial emergency in case of a financial crisis. Article 143 gives the President the power to A. Seek advisory opinions from the Supreme Court. B. Dismiss the Parliament. C. Grant pardons. D. Impose emergency. Answer: A. Seek advisory opinions from the Supreme Court. Article 143 allows the President to refer matters of law or fact to the Supreme Court for its advisory opinion. Which article defines the right to constitutional remedies as a fundamental right? A. Article 12. B. Article 32. C. Article 34. D. Article 36. Answer: B. Article 32. Article 32 allows individuals to approach the Supreme Court in case of violation of their fundamental rights. Which article mentions the establishment of the Election Commission of India? A. Article 315. B. Article 324. C. Article 326. D. Article 330. Answer: B. Article 324. Article 324 provides for the establishment of the Election Commission to supervise and control elections. Which article empowers the Parliament to make laws on subjects in the state list? A. Article 249. B. Article 250. C. Article 252. D. Article 253. Answer: A. Article 249. Article 249 empowers Parliament to legislate on matters in the state list if the Rajya Sabha passes a resolution by a two-thirds majority.